Clap if you're horny. Okay, next story, guys. So, am I the asshole for telling my extended family what my brother did after he peed in my body wash for 8 months?
Hah? Pete?
So, this person told her or his extended family what their brother did. Like, I guess the brother did something. The brother peed in her body wash for 8 months, and she told the whole family.
Uh, uh,
No context. I think fair.
Udah gitu doang. Itu doang.
No, that's the title. That's the
Kaget gua. Oke.
no context. Fair lah.
No konteks kasih tahu ke keluarga kalau itu
Iya,
adik
fair.
gua. Fair. Kalau itu adik gua, gak mungkin gue bilang ke keluarga gede, keluarga extended enggak. Tapi fair, it's fair.
Okay, let's go.
Hi all.
Hai.
So for the past 8 months, I, 20 female, have been getting a whiff of a bad smell, a slightly sweet/rotting smell. I thought I was going crazy and began overly washing my body, scrubbing until my skin is raw to try and get rid of the smell. I posted in a hygiene subreddit to ask for advice because I genuinely thought it was all in my head. I never thought to look in my body wash containers because I never thought my brother, 15 male, so she's 20, adiknya 15.
Oke lah, di bawah umur at least lah.
15, okay. Wait, let's read the rest of the story. I never thought that my brother, 15, who I share a bathroom with, would do anything to my stuff. A few days ago, I finally asked my mom what I should do because the smell just wouldn't go away. And I could smell it on my skin even after switching body washes multiple times. That was when my brother confessed that for the past 8 months, he had been peeing in my body wash container so that the pee wouldn't go down the drain and smell up the shower. He thought that if he peed in my body wash containers, the pee would evaporate and I would never know. When I asked him why he didn't just pee in the toilet before the shower and why he chose my container specifically, he said that he didn't know. My mom told him to go to his room and that she would sort it out. She bought me new containers of body wash and I am now using my sister's shower instead. I'm also looking for apartments to stay in until I leave for university in August. Yesterday, we got together with our extended family for dinner at my aunt's house. I purposefully avoided my brother because I couldn't look him in the eye after what he had done. I felt so violated. Fair. My grandma noticed I wasn't talking to him and asked why, so I told her. Ya fair lah lu bilang nenek lu. She blew up at my brother, calling him a disgrace and disgusting. Fair. She also told my mom that if she didn't get him the help he needed, she would be disowned.
What?
My mom, dad, brother, and sister all left at that time, but I stayed behind since I drove my own car. Okay, just an idiot. When I got home, my mom said that I was a terrible, selfish person for telling everybody what my brother had done, and how dare I do that when I knew he needed help and that it would only make this worse. I ignored her and went to my room. It's now the next morning and she still hasn't talked to me. My dad and sister are on my side, and so is my grandma, uncle, aunt, and cousins. Everybody else on my mom and brother's side, but I really don't think what I did was that bad. I didn't know that my grandma would blow up at him the way she did because she's a soft spoken person. I know my brother needs psychological help as my mother and I have both suffered from psychosis. Okay? But I feel as though I'm on the receiving end. For the past 8 months, I felt crazy, like the smell never existed, and that there was something wrong with me and my brain because nobody else could smell it. I retaliated because I was so overwhelmed by everything. So, am I the asshole?
Ya Tuhan Yesus Juru Selamat.
Nggak, dia bilang, I went the receiving end. Ya bener. Dia diterima.
Ya benar. Emang legit di ujung sih emang. Di ujung sih. On the receiving end bener.
Oh my god, actually ya, dia beneran dapet golden shower. Dia beneran dapet anjir.
Itu kayak borderline incest gak sih?
Enggak, maksudnya. Enggak, tapi
Dapat
bener
golden shower dari brothernya sendiri.
Iya.
Masukin ke botol sampo.
Iya. Dia
My opinion, Dia kan nggak ngomong sama anyone else, dia ngomong sama neneknya sendiri.
Neneknya yang
salah.
cepu.
Iya, dia nggak salah.
She didn't tell anyone, she didn't expose it. Dia curhat sama neneknya, which I think fair dong.
Dia cuma
Iya.
curhat aja. Dia cuma curhat berdua. Neneknya yang
Iya, lu mau curhat sama family lu, and apalagi adik lu pipis di sabun lu. I think fair ya.
bukan enggak maksudnya
Enggak, dua kata lu tuh si pipis evaporasi. sih.
Belum comments. Asshole or no?
In my opinion ya,
Yang di
enggak.
no.
Enggak.
No.
Enggak.
No.
Not
I
at all.
feel fair enough. Like what dari story-nya fair enough.
Lu bayangin lu mandi 8 bulan, Pak.
Iya.
Lu mandi 8 bulan
That-
badan lu pesing.
That itu adanya bisa he could have said it anytime.
Iya.
Anytime. 8 bulan itu.
Dia kira gue gila ya, gue bawa pesing.
Iya.
Iya, oke, fair. Cuman maksudnya kayak adanya kan di 8 bulan itu. Maksudnya kan kita kan sebagai manusia kita suka testing kan namanya kan. Kenapa 8 bulan testing? Kenapa 8 bulan? 8 bulan dia testing
No,
kalau
I
itu.
don't think itu
loh,
testing. Emang they said he needs help. Dia ada yang agak
Enggak lain ya.
Dia alasannya gak mau toiletnya bau. Tapi kalau kakak gua gak apa-apa. Kakak oke lah.
Berarti hygiene.
Hygiene.
bukan nggak mau toiletnya bau, nggak mau showernya bau. Karena dia bilang dia nggak mau pipis di shower. Pipis di toilet apa salahnya?
Enggak kan lagi mandi kan tiba-tiba kan
Toilet lah. Emangnya lu mau bentar ambil botol sabun dulu.
Iya,
Itu
lebih
lama
effort sih.
ya.
Lebih effort daripada keluar ke toilet dulu.
Dia kan bisa sebelum mandi dia iya kan. Kalau nggak habis mandi dia daripada dia kayak
Tapi kita oke. Kita harus cari jarak shower sama toilet sekarang. Mungkin effortnya beda.
Emang
Kita nggak
lu
tahu.
pikir bathroomnya bakal segede ini? Kayaknya enggak deh.
Iya.
iya sih.
Oke, so
She's not an asshole.
not
She's
the
not an
asshole.
asshole.
She's
Not
not
the
an
asshole.
asshole. I'm very sorry to say.
I think even kalau dia bilang to the whole family, not the asshole.
Even if the brother has a problem, it's a problem.
Iya maksudnya kalau misalnya extended family menurut gue kayak selama lu deket sama mereka
Iya,
you
itu
can talk
oke lah.
anything about
I mean
it.
if you're hanging out with them and then bukan lu yang jebret kasih tahu.
Tapi lu bayangin kayak
keluarganya.
misalnya lu lagi makan nih enak-enak ya kan satu keluarga taruh 20
Oh
orang.
iya, terus
kayak
gitu.
ayah, kok lu nggak ngomong sama ade lu? Iya dia pipis di sabun.
Enggak, enggak lebih parah dia. Oke, dia kan lagi makan. Itu lagi makan. Itu
Iya.
lagi makan. Itu lagi di dinner table.
lagi
Lu bayangin ada yang lagi cuci tangan habis makan. Ya dia pipis di sabun tuh.
Bukan sabun cuci tangan, sabun mandi.
Ya,
Ya,
nggak apa-apa. Siapa tahu.
Siapa
Siapa tahu.
Ini round 2.
Loh, kita nggak tahu dia
Iya.
taruh di mana aja.
Siapa tahu kalau misalnya dia berasa sabunnya udah terlalu penuh kan?
dia bukan di rumah dia.
Bisa aja.
Ya bisa aja.
Bisa aja.
Apa dibawa lagi gitu.
Iya.
Nggak tahu dia mungkin
Dia mungkin bagi-bagi mungkin
Bagi-bagi.
bagi-bagi pipis.
bener. Mungkin dia rasa oh di rumah dia nggak bisa evaporasi.
Iya.
Di rumah ini bisa
Iya.
lebih panas.
Iya.
So the answer is we don't know where else he's pissed.
Nah,
Baru discovered yang satu, baru di sabun.
Baru sabun, belum yang lain. Lu bayangin ada liquid apa lagi yang di rumah? Parfum. Ya kan?
parfum ya.
Parfum bau pesing gitu.
Bapak yang nge-vape mungkin, masukin kencing. Bau pesing. Susah. Nggak bisa juga, liquid dong. Iya kan? Capek juga. Capek ya kan? Wah bisa evaporasi nih. Bener sih evaporasi, bener. Nggak salah jadi asap.
Oh itu, that's how he needs to test it.
Dia nge-vape.
Masukin ke vape.
Masukin ke
Kalau
vape.
nge-vape ya bener
Iya.
evaporasi.
Kalau keluar evaporasi, kalau
Iya.
nggak keluar
Ya bener.
Kok saya beli rasa pisang kok dapat
Pisang?
Dapat
Pisang.
Ini saya beli rasa pisang kenapa jus pisangnya dapat juga gitu.
Iya kan?
Iya kan?
Enak kan? Fakta ya. Fakta.
Lagi sih kalau ada yang bagus.
Lu imagine udah lagi kayak bener-bener gosok tau gak nih? Gosok. Udah kayak gitu. Aduh sakit perut gue.
Oke. Jadi ada yang komen, that's so disgusting. How did a 15-year-old kid not realize that if the urine stinks going down the drain, then it'll be rancid, confined in a bottle? I'm gagging over here. You know, I think you could probably go to the police because it's surely assault with unwanted bodily fluids or something. I'm glad your grandmother told him off. And you know what? Your mother's reaction is the reason he pisses in bottles that aren't his.
Yes.
She's not reacting enough at all. This is horrible. Terus someone else wrote, seems to me that he's just using that as an excuse because he doesn't want to admit that it was a prank that went on way too long or an extra creepy reason that I refuse to consider.
That guy kalau udah grow up will go places. Will go places. Kebanyakan sih toilet.
Kebanyakan toilet.
Okay, guys, so let us know in the comments down below. Do you think she's an asshole, or is everyone the asshole, or is nobody the asshole? Let us know in the comments down below. We will get him the help he needs.
I don't need help. I don't need help.
You did.
I need
do.
money.
Biasanya orang yang bilang dia nggak butuh
Gua butuh
pertolongan,
duit.
dia butuh.
Nggak, lu butuh pertolongan, kita butuh duit.
Iya.
Gue butuh duit.
Lu butuh pertolongan, kita
Iya.
butuh duit buat bayar pertolongan.
Mohon izin.
Thank you guys.
Oke, thank you.